Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tools Guys. Today, we're diving into a must-have for every car owner, the AUTOGEN car jump starter. This powerful lithium jump box is not just your regular jump starter, it's a game changer for anyone on the road. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. As I open the package, the first thing I notice is the quality EVA case. It's sturdy, and inside, neatly organized, are the key components: the jump starter itself, heavy-duty copper clamps, and a user manual. Taking a closer look at the jump starter, the design is sleek and compact. The matte finish gives it a premium feel, and the construction is robust. It feels like a device that can handle the rough and tumble of real-world usage. Now, let's talk about safety, a top priority, especially when dealing with car batteries. The AUTOGEN jump starter boasts a mistake-proof connection system. It guides you through the process, ensuring a secure connection to your vehicle. The professional-grade copper clamps are not only hefty, but also 100% copper, providing the durability needed for heavy-duty applications. What sets this jump starter apart is its versatility. Beyond jump-starting your car, it comes with a built-in 12-volt outlet. No more searching for extra cables. You can use it as a compact, portable 12-volt DC power pack for various automotive products. For our tech-savvy viewers, this jump starter doesn't disappoint. It features micro and QC 3.0 USB ports. Need a quick charge for your smartphone or tablet? You're covered. The charging speed is impressive, saving you time when you're on the go. AUTOGEN claims it can jumpstart all gas engines and even hefty 10.0-liter diesel engines. To put it to the test, we'll be taking it out to jumpstart a Toyota Camry 2008. Stay tuned for that. In conclusion, the AUTOGEN car jumpstarter is more than just a safety net for a dead battery. It's a versatile, well-designed tool that every driver should have in their arsenal. Whether you're a daily commuter or an off-road enthusiast, this jump starter could be a game changer for you.